In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a signature in a PDF document. Suppose this is the PDF where I need to add my signature. For this, we will use Canva app. Launch the Canva app or log into your Canva account if you are using it in a browser. In the top menu, click on Upload. In the pop-up, click on Upload File. Now upload your PDF file. After the file is uploaded, open the file. You can add a signature in multiple ways using Canva. First, let's see the drawing option. In the left side menu, click on Tools. Now click on Drawing. Take the pen tool and draw your signature on the PDF. Though this method is easy, the signature looks awful like this. The second method is to write your signature on a piece of paper and take a picture of that signature, then send it to your PC. If you have a written signature, click on Uploads. In this menu, click on Upload Files. Now select your signature image. After uploading, add the image to your PDF. Resize the image as needed and place it on the PDF file. There is another way to add your signature. In the left side menu, click on Text. Now click on Add a Text Box. This will add a text box on the canvas. Write your name in the text box and place it. In the top menu, click on the Font option. In the search bar, search for Handwriting. Now you will get a lot of fonts that look like handwriting. Select a font from here and you are done. In the top right corner, click on Share. In the drop-down menu, click on Download. Select the file type as PDF and click on Download again. If I close this app and open our new PDF, you can see that my signature is on the file. Following these steps, you can easily add a signature to a PDF document.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.